Take 7 strangers from different parts of the country, throw in a remote location deep in the Amazon rainforest, and add extremely large bugs.
Bye, thank you, bye.
No, this isn't the plot of a new reality TV show. This is real life. This is Unsettled.
So how do I describe my unsettled trip to the Amazon? Well, that's kind of like asking how to capture lightning in a bottle. It's impossible, but I'll do my best.
First, let me introduce you to my unsettled tribe. There's Britt from Atlanta, tribe name Eagle Eye. Megan from Chicago, aka Bead Handler. Breck from Virginia. He's called Moonshine Man. Mel from New York, also known as Queen Fisher. Lori from Fort Lauderdale, dubbed Mama Deer. And Corey from Memphis. He's our fashion-forward leader. His tribe name is Turtle Song. And me, well, I'm Melissa. I come to the Amazon from Fort Lauderdale, and they call me Bowels of Steel. These are our guides, Yuri, who, interestingly enough, once had a dog named Yuri, and Johan, who says he plays a mean flute. We never found out if that was a euphemism. Collectively, we are Tribe Stinky Birds, and if you got anywhere near us during our stay, you'd know why. Our native call is, "Hey, buddy," uttered upon seeing any creature great or small.
What are you doing? Are you ready to order? She's gonna take our order and she's gonna go downstairs and put it in. So everybody order your plate. Yeah.
Awesome. I want you to finish this sentence with one word. I will be leaving my unsettled experience with a sense of
hope.
Self-fulfillment.
It's hyphenated.
That's one word. It's one word.
Complete this sentence for me. I will be leaving this unsettled experience with a sense of
Adventuresome.
this adventure.
Adventure.
I'm leaving my unsettled experience with a sense of
Cleansing.
I'm leaving my unsettled experience with a sense of
Hold on.
You people are terrible at following directions. I gave you this assignment 3 days ago. Someone used a hyphenated word. Corey didn't like his word. Brittany doesn't like what she's wearing.
All right.
Give me the freaking word.
Accomplishment.
Awesome. Finish this sentence. I will be leaving this unsettled experience with a sense of
Presence.
perfect. And me? Well, I'm leaving the unsettled experience with a sense of connection. This group started as strangers and quickly became friends, and then, in a weird sort of way, formed an odd family unit. Each member with their own unique challenges, fears, hopes, perspectives, and strengths. And just like we discovered about the Amazon rainforest, each element was interconnected and contributed to not only each member's growth, but also to the function and success of the tribe as a whole. Community, consciousness, connection. The unsettled.